Kaveri Engine was developed by which organization? Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, Bharat Electronics Limited, BAL. HAL. Explanation. The Kaveri engine was primarily developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. HAL led the design, development, and testing of the engine, intending it to power the Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, Tejas. While other organizations may have contributed to the project, HAL was the leading entity. Why the other options are less suitable? ISRO focuses on space-related technologies, not primarily on aircraft engines. DRDO is a research and development organization for defense, but HAL was the main developer of the Kaveri engine. BAL manufactures electronic equipment and systems for defense, not aircraft engines.